Our solar system contains our Sun, 9 planets, and lots of smaller objects called asteroids and comets. The Sun is at the center of our solar system. The Sun is also a star, just like the stars you see at night, except that since the Sun is much closer, it looks bigger and brighter. But in reality, the Sun is a medium-sized star. Just as many other stars have names, our Sun has a name. Its name is Sol. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Because it's so close, it's very hot on the side that faces the Sun, while at the same time, the side that faces away from the Sun is very cold. Mercury's surface is covered with craters, large holes that were left when rocks smashed into the planet. The next planet is Venus. Venus is always covered with clouds, which makes us unable to see the surface. But with special satellites, we found that the surface is full of old volcanoes, channels, and lava flows. The clouds on Venus act like a thick blanket and hold in the sun's heat, making Venus a very hot place indeed. Earth is the third planet and our home. Earth is the only planet known to have living things on it. It is also the only planet known to have oceans of water. Earth is home to over 6 billion humans. They come from different backgrounds, different races, different countries, different religions, but all of them are Earthlings. The Moon circles around the Earth once every month or so. It is the only world besides the Earth where humans have gone. Mars is the fourth planet. It's also called the red planet because its surface is covered with rusty dust. Humans have sent more probes to Mars than to any other planet. Many people have imagined that Martians live on Mars, but so far we haven't found any. Like Earth, Mars has mountains and valleys and canyons, but the mountains on Mars are taller and the canyons on Mars are deeper and longer. Mars is a cold, dry, dusty, desert planet, complete with sand dunes and rocky fields. The fifth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is also the largest planet, and everything about Jupiter is large. Jupiter has the Great Red Spot, which is an enormous hurricane that has been blowing for at least 400 years. Jupiter also has many large moons, the largest of which is bigger than Mercury. Saturn is the ringed planet and the sixth planet from the Sun. It is second in size only to Jupiter. Saturn's magnificent rings are made up of small bits of rock and ice. Uranus is the seventh planet, and it spins on its side. Like Saturn, it has rings, but they can only be seen with special cameras. Neptune is the eighth planet. It has the Great Dark Spot, which is like Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a huge hurricane. Pluto is the 9th planet, and because it's so far from the Sun, it's very, very cold. It has a small moon called Charon. Because it's so far away, we can barely make out its surface, and the best telescopes provide us only fuzzy pictures of Pluto. Many astronomers think that Pluto and Charon are more like comets than planets. Asteroids are rocky leftovers from the formation of the solar system. Some asteroids are smaller than pebbles, while others are larger than mountains. Most of the asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter, but a few come close to Earth. Like asteroids, comets are leftovers from the formation of the solar system. But unlike asteroids, comets are mostly made out of ice, with bits of gravel and dust mixed in. Some astronomers have called comets dirty snowballs. Most comets are found outside of Pluto, but occasionally they come in toward the Sun, and the Sun melts part of the ice, forming the comet's tail. The solar system is a big place, but it's a small place in an even bigger universe. There are many things that we still don't know. Maybe someday you can become an astronomer and make new discoveries about the solar system and the universe.